In its bids to mechanize and commercialize production, the Ministry of Agriculture, through its engineering services, known as Agricultural Engineering Services, is currently assembling heavy and lightweight machinery at their headquarters in Yundum. This is possible due to the extra $100 million increment by the National Assembly and the KR2 fund. The equipment ranges from tractors, power tillers, rotovators, disc plows, milling and pumping machines, just to name a few. These materials, however, are expected to be distributed to farmers. Speaking at the ground, Mr. Mustafa Minte, Director of Agricultural Engineering Services, gives an insight of the whole process.
If we talk about agricultural mechanization, people think it's just motorized machineries. No, but it's equally some aspect of animal-drawn implements. So we have all of them here. Yes. So if you look at it, we have there are two differences of machines here. One is procured from the ministry's budget. That's the extra $100 million that's given to the ministry. So part of it is used to purchase agricultural machineries like power tillers, pumping machines, animal-drawn implements, donkeys, and so on and so forth. So the other part, which is the heavy machineries, is from the KR fund, the Japanese KR fund, that we use to procure some 50 tractors and its accessories. That's the disc plow, about 40 disc plow, 10 reversible plows, which are the primary tillage implements. Then we have the disc harrow, which is about 30. Then we have rotovators, which are 20. So making it at a total 50 for the secondary tillage implement. So we equally have seed drills. We have trailers. Of course, we bring some a bit of trailers because in agriculture, trailers are basically to transport inputs from farm to store, or from the field to the store. Exactly, yeah. So vice versa. We don't, but we bring a small quantity. That's 10 of them. So we know that's enough. That's not enough, but that's basically it can help us a lot because these trailers are about 5-ton trailers, so they can carry a heavy load. So as besides that, okay, like I said, the trailers are 10. The rotovators are 20. The disc harrows are 30. The plows are 40. The moldboard plows are 10. And if you add all that together, you have about 113 implements. So, but we have 50 tractors, but 130 implements, because each tractor will have a complete set of 2 implements. That's the primary tillage and secondary tillage implements. Primary, those are the plows, be it the disc plow or the moldboard plow. The secondary ones, they will have 2 sets too. They will have one set per one set be the disc harrow or a rotavator, because rotavator and disc harrow all are secondary tillage implements. So this is what we bring here. And then within the KR2, within the National Assembly extra budget, we also have a tractor which is for the NSS, for the National Sea Secretariat tractor trailer, plus disc plow and disc harrow. Yes, those are basically the implements we have here.
Considering the scorching sun and the drudgery involved in the work, Minte went on to tell us the challenges they face in the assembling process.
Because these are, if you can look around, these are heavy machineries. These are things that you need to pick up. So you could see we are struggling with picking up, even though the supplier has to bring in 2 of its one crane truck and then one mechanical forklift. Auto propelled forklift for us to be able to pick up the implement. Because if you could see, we can just fix the bolt and nut, but picking it up, we have to use machineries to do that. So that means it's a heavy work, and of course we are under the sun. Even though we created shade for it, but that shade is not enough, because we packed machines that needs protection under that shade. Yeah.